Creative and fun learning. Carton Periscope, peek around, ... In the heart of a bustling city, after school on a sunny Friday afternoon, a unique and imaginative workshop awaited 6 adventurous children. Each child carried dreams of discovery and creation, eager to explore the endless possibilities hidden within Carton Periscopes. The curious children gathered around the workshop's central table, their eyes wide with wonder as they surveyed the colorful assortment of cardboard tubes, lenses, and other intriguing materials. The eldest child, a girl with curly hair, carefully examined each item, her mind buzzing with ideas for her first creation. With great care, the girl began constructing her Carton Periscope. She fitted together colorful tubes, each one varying in size, until she reached the final lens. With a satisfied nod, she raised her creation to her eye and peered through it, gasping at the image that appeared. Through the lens of her creation, she saw a world filled with secrets and wonder. The girl's eyes lit up as she discovered a small village hidden behind a wall of cardboard boxes. She whispered to herself, "I can't wait to show everyone." With excitement building, each child returned to their station at the table and began constructing their own Carton Periscope. The room was filled with laughter, teamwork, and creative problem-solving as they crafted their masterpieces. As each child finished their creation, they excitedly shared their discoveries with one another. One boy showed a secret garden filled with giant flowers, while a girl unveiled an underwater world teeming with fish and other sea creatures. The children gathered around the table, their eyes sparkling with excitement as they discussed the secrets and wonders they'd discovered through their Carton Periscopes. They eagerly shared ideas for their next creations, their minds buzzing with possibilities. As the sun began to set, the children continued their creative endeavors, determined to uncover more secrets hidden within the world around them. Each child worked tirelessly, inspired by their newfound love for discovery and invention. The next day, as the children returned to the workshop, they were greeted by a new collection of finished Carton Periscopes. With renewed energy, each child eagerly examined their creations and ventured into unknown worlds. One by one, the children discovered hidden treasures as they explored their creations. One boy found a lost pirate's map, while a girl unveiled a hidden chamber filled with gold coins and other precious gems. The children were awestruck as they took turns exploring the breathtaking underwater world they had discovered together. They marveled at schools of fish, coral reefs, and even a playful dolphin that danced through the water. In the end, the children left the workshop with newfound friendships, memories that would last a lifetime, and the excitement of countless future discoveries. As they skipped home, each child could already imagine the wonders waiting for them through their Carton Periscopes.